Hello friends, my car got stuck yesterday in the field, and grace to the God, we found some guy with the track. Oops. And he drive us down the hill. He found some problem ahead, and you can see that the road covered with the snow, but not so much, a little, but it's so tough to drive. And yesterday we stuck in the big pile of snow, and I destroy some part of my car, so my car couldn't move by itself, so I should be driving to the service, to the shop. Oops. It's the toughest place on the road, and now we on the sound ground, and he's driving down. Well, this adventure will cost me a bit money, but you know, the life is very expensive things, so every time we should be ready to some unexpected expenses. Okay. My wife said that it's enough talking.